Obtaining a CPA is very beneficial to my career path because of two main reasons. One, it will allow me to work in a vast range of industries, and it will also open up many doors for me in the future. Not only can I work in audit or tax, but I can also jump into other service lines such as transaction advisory or even forensic accounting. It will also give me the financial freedom to open up my own accounting firm. If I want to dive away from the public or private sector and get into the entrepreneurship mindset, the CPA will allow me to follow this direction. I strongly believe that all CPA must possess these two values and characteristics. Aside from being very detail-oriented and organized, all CPAs must have strong communication skills and analytical skills. Laws and regulations are always changing, and CPAs must be updated with the latest changes. They need to communicate these changes with their clients, and they also need to communicate this with their entire team. Everybody should be on the same track, and with the lack of communication, there can be a lot of confusion. There was a time in which my father received an IRS notice for an enormous penalty that he received for his business. This is the first time this ever happened to us, and we are very, very nervous. I decided to do my due diligence and did a lot of research on this penalty code. I was very happy that I found a lot of information that could help out with this code, and I was able to communicate this information with an IRS representative. We went back and forth regarding this, and I was able to type up a letter to respond to this penalty code. In the end, I was able to abate this code, and my father ended up paying $0. I have to say that this experience was very life-changing, and it's something that really motivated me to continue to learn accounting. Thank you.